Thank you very much, Amir. It always puts me in an awkward position with my boss, but okay. We are partners. But it's great to see everyone here, and good afternoon. It's really a privilege to welcome you all here to this special gathering within the Cyber AI Week. It was important for Amir and myself and the team to host it separately because as diplomats, we look at things sometimes in a different way, and that's a good opportunity for us all to discuss. And I want to say that Cyber Week for many years has been a great platform, for dialogue, for diplomats, for academia, for private sector. So thank you very much for hosting us this year as well. And this year's theme, of course, it's from influence to innovation. And I think it reflects two defining forces that are shaping our world as we speak. The first one, influence, and we live. The theme. So the first, of course, theme is the influence, and we live in an era, you all know that, where influence travels very fast. Narratives, whether correct or authentic or manipulated, they travel very fast as well. And disinformation campaigns, we're all grappling with it, with foreign influence. And some of it is generated by AI, some of it is not. And this poses a great challenge to all our societies, all our securities as well. And for diplomats, it's also has been reshaping the way we work. To be very frank, we're no longer only dealing with political dialogues, but we are all actors on a digital front line. And where legitimacy, trust, and public confidence are constantly tested. So today's panel, first panel, will explore this new landscape that we're all grappling with, how states actually can protect and integrate into our democracies safeguards without compromising our openness. How do we confront cross-border influence, different campaigns, while safeguarding the free flow of ideas? So these are some of the things we'll be exploring in the panel. How do we actually build a resilient society capable of navigating through this challenge and the different campaigns that we're faced with? These, we all know, this is not only theory, this is policy that we need to develop, and these are questions on strategic level for each and every one of us. The second panel on innovation and AI also will the AI, an engine that moves us all at the moment, already transformed the cybersecurity, defense, finance, health, everything we touch. It's a source of an extraordinary opportunity, but of course unexpected threats as well. And for governments, it's to ensure that innovation is, for our people, is safe, is ethical, it's accessible, but aligns also with our human rights values. For diplomats, what we're trying to do as part of the challenge is to shape global environment through dialogue, through collaboration, and ensure actually that there is better cooperation, although there will always be a strategic competition. I think it's very naive to think that we will not face that. We will face that. The question is, how do we go about it? So pushing forward for us as Israel, pushing the innovation forward is the only way, but in a responsible way. I think that's the key here, in a responsible way that will also ensure that, as I said, work together because we'll always have those that work against us. So at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and I'm sure in other countries as well, we see technological diplomacy as an essential pillar of modern foreign policy. And we're focusing our efforts on this EDTs, these new emerging technologies, trying to understand better also how it influences our security, our resilience. And we're very proud to work with many of the countries that are present here today, and I want to thank you for that, in many programs, R&Ds, and you name it. And our goal is very simple. It's to uphold Israel as a leader and an innovator in the AI area, in cybersecurity, and of course in other emerging technological domains. But while building a safer and a more trustworthy and a more innovative digital future together. So with these few words, I just want to move on, allow Amir to move us on into the different panels, and to thank you once again, and to thank you, Professor, for hosting us and the Cyber Week as a platform. And I look forward to our panelists. Thank you very much.